Let's go back to web browser here. And now there is one more command you are asked to enter, and this command renames current local branch to main. We already did that before at the beginning of the tutorial, and now current branch is main locally on the computer. That's why we don't need to enter this command. Now one more step left. We need to push changes from local repository to remote repository using this command. Let me copy it from here and paste in the terminal. In this command, we pushing changes from main branch to remote branch called also main. Here is this name. And -u option tells Git that it needs to create new upstream branch, new branch in the remote repository. And here is name of corresponding remote. It matches with this name here, or this name here. So let's push changes to remote. Notice that you may be asked for your GitHub username and password here. Mine was already cached, that's why I was not asked to enter it. So if you are asked, please enter your username and password, and afterwards you should see similar picture. Finally, at the end, you see that push was successful and new branch, here you see new branch, main, was created in the remote repository. Here is link to remote repository. And now branch main, local branch main, is set to track remote branch main from origin. This means that the main local branch is now connected with remote main branch at the origin remote. And now if I go back to web browser and simply refresh page here, I'll see contents of my Git repository with 4 files here: 1.txt, 2.txt, 3.txt and 4.txt. And also I see information about all changes made in those files. If I click on specific file, for example this one, I could read its contents. Also I could click here on history and see history of changes of this particular file. And here are SHA-1 hashes, parts of them for each commit that affected this particular file. I could click on specific commit, for example this one, and go to it. And here I see actual changes. Line first was removed and 2 new lines were added. I could add here a comment, some dummy comment like that, and comment on this file. Great, let's go back to code here, and now you could see that there are 6 commits in this repository. I could click here, and now I see a list of all commits made in this particular repository. And this picture matches picture that I see here locally if I enter git log command. The last commit has such SHA hash, it starts with 16, and here is its commit message. And if I go back here, I see exactly the same picture. Here is commit message, and here is commit SHA hash. It also starts with 16. And branch here is main, and that's single branch here in this repository.